guys, how are you? So there was a day I posted on my Facebook when I was telling you that we removed this window because we had locked the spare keys inside. I lost the keys for the house, and then we locked the spare ones, but the spare ones now were on the bed. So we tried to open here and remove that thing, but then we failed. So we ended up removing this glass. So for days now, this window has been like this, but today I decided to fix it now because I also didn't know about this putty. It's written window putty, star window putty, that we are going to use, and it's written that if dry you need to add a little bit of paraffin. So that paraffin part, I'm not going to use it because I don't have the paraffin. At the same time, I also need to replace my window, guys. The house can't stay like this. So I'm trying. Okay, I am trying to fix it now. So now I'm just removing this thing. It's my first time doing these things, but you know, for days I've been waiting, trying to see if I will ever have a visitor, or maybe a male visitor, or my brothers or anyone to fix it. But there is no one who came. So now I'm going to try to do it on my own. I'm going to try to do it on my own. Just wish me luck, guys, so that this thing can work. So, oh, my hair is itchy. So now I'm going to break here. I have a scissors, but it's a borrowed scissors, so I didn't want to, you know, to use people's scissors to cut this because I don't know how this thing is going to. Oh my god. Ish. Anyway, it's dry. Add some paraffin, but it's not dry. I'm just hoping that I'm going to replace it. I think we're supposed to clean this window. We're supposed to properly wash it and clean it, but it's too late now. This is the outside. Just wish me well, guys. Just wish me well as I am trying. Okay, just wish me well. So I think this is how you put it here first, like this, and then after that, guys, what I'm doing, I'm just guessing, and also I took the idea from YouTube. Okay, I'm just trying my best. Just wish me well, guys. This is the putty that I'm going to use. Hey, dear God, you know I'm your daughter, okay? I think we're supposed to put some the other side. There may be. I think we're supposed to put some this side, even if it's not much, but just a little bit. Hey, Manny, you think it will work? What do you think? What do you think, Manny?
It will work.
You think it will work?
Yeah.
You believe you trust your sister too much, eh? And I've special guests who are visiting here tomorrow. So for them to come now and there's no window, guys, imagine. Guys, I fix windows, okay? If you have contract, that's you guys. If you want to give me contracts, I can do that for you. For you, I'm saying so guys, I fix windows for a living, okay? This is what I do for a living, guys. Wish me well. So now, now, shall we talk about dark? It's dry. Guys, do you know mahumbu?
Sakusepanga.
Kupfekera umu. Apa ndichiri kuisa kamuchazonyazo smutena nedai. Ndiri kupfekera mukati. Unomona mukati mandoda. Ndingatapedza tozise dzemucharo. Oh, getting tired. Guys, straight as well. It's working. If you guys want your broken windows fixed, contact me, okay? Contact me, guys. My sister is putting the camera very close so that you guys can see how messy this thing is looking. It's okay, man. It's okay. But at least it's better than the way it was looking. And then after that, we'll try to make it smooth with a knife. I hope it will work. Do you think some water can work?
I don't think so.
Guys, this is our neighbor's dog. It stays here like it's ours. Many show them. Our neighbor's dog. It stays here like it's ours. I saw again.
Yeah.
So that's nice. And this black one, guys, is ours. It still doesn't have a name yet. It still doesn't have a name yet. Saka if you are building a house, try to think how much I bought this. I think it was $1. Phone. What's the almonds with? Guys, I just want to open this window so that
In the kitchen. Let's open any kitchen, right?
koyeni ngemiji. That is it. I don't even know if this is the proper way of taking it out. What do you think, man?
Yeah, I think so.
You think it's the proper way? So guys, this is how my hands are looking like now. Hey, it's not very important. No funny, right? So many people ask me, why are you doing it by yourself? And Bamni is not helping you today. Guys, Bamni left. Bamni is working now. You know, Bamni's house is in Waterfalls. So that time Bamni was not working. So Bamni got a job. So now he's staying at his family house. He has always been staying there and coming here often. Since we were doing something, I had asked him to come. But now, he's not here. Bamni is at his house now. So, you know, even when he's off, you know, you can't call someone all the way from Harare. It's about 50 kilometers, guys, from here to Harare just to come and fix the window. It would cost me even up to $6, of which $6. Ew. Manny, how is it looking? I think I'm done. What do you think, Manny?
Yeah, yes, not good.
I tried, Manny. So guys, that is what I was showing you guys today. The window is fixed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. For those who are watching me for the first time, guys, my name is Via. I stay in the rurals of Seke in Zimbabwe. I came back from South Africa, and then I'm trying to put my life back together back home. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, goodbye.